In this video, let's take a look at exporting our Next.js application to static HTML. Before we take a look at the code though, let's learn a few things about building a Next.js application. Earlier in the series, we have learned about the next build command, which builds the application for production in the .next folder. In order to run the application though, we had to use the next start command. The command starts a Node.js server that supports hybrid pages, serving both statically generated and server-side rendered pages. Well, let me tell you, there is a third command related to the build process. And that is the next export command, which exports all your pages to static HTML files that you can serve without the need of a Node.js server. Similar to what Create React app does. This allows you to host your app on any static hosting service or a CDN without having to maintain a server. But it comes with its own limitations, the important one being you cannot use ISR or server-side rendering. What you have to keep in mind though is that statically generated pages using Next Export are still reactive. So you can rely on client-side data fetching for dynamic content. Now, what is a good example for using Next Export? Well, landing pages, blogs, and any application where the content is generated pretty much at build time are all very good candidates for Next Export. If your pages are rendered dynamically at runtime though, you should use Next Start to run your application. Alright, with these points in mind, let's try to export the app we have built so far in this miscellaneous section. The first step is to add a script for the Next Export command, as the project generated using Create Next App doesn't provide it. So in package.json, under scripts, export, and this is going to be next build and next export. So we run the export command after we build the application. Now that we have the script, in the terminal, run the command yarn export. When we run the script, you can see that we encounter an error. Image optimization using Next.js default loader is not compatible with Next Export. So as it stands, we cannot use the image component for optimization. We already see a limitation. Of course, we can solve this by hosting the app on Vercel and probably using one of these possible solutions, but that is not what we want right now. So to fix this, in pets.js, let's remove the image component. And the same in index.js as well. With that fix, let's rerun the yarn export command. We once again come across an error. This time, error for page/blog/blog ID, pages with get server-side props cannot be exported. So it's telling us that we simply cannot use get server-side props. Let's try to replace it with get static props, not because it is the solution, but simply because this is an example and I want you to understand what happens. So get static props, and now let's rerun the yarn export command. Unfortunately for us, we again have an error thrown. Get static paths is required for dynamic SSD pages and is missing for blog ID. So Next.js is basically asking us to specify the blog ID so that the HTML can be generated only for those pages. Since we have already been through the getStaticPaths function, I'm going to copy paste the code. So I'm informing that the HTML has to be generated only for blog ID equal to 1. I have also set fallback to true. Let's save the file and rerun yarn export. We have come across an error yet again. Found pages with fallback enabled. Pages with fallback enabled in getStaticPaths cannot be exported. So Next.js is telling us, hey, you can't ask me to export HTML pages and tell me that blog ID can be anything you want to. Please mark it as false. So let's change fallback to false and run the command one more time. Yarn export. Finally, our command succeeded. And you can see that the files have been written to a folder called out in the project root. If we inspect this folder, we can see all the HTML and the public resources necessary to run the application. Of course, with all the limitations we have just encountered. So that is about the next export command to export the application into static HTML and run it without the need of a node server. Thank you all for watching. Please do leave a like if you are finding the videos helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one.